Oi, oi, oi. It's so quiet because of this stock exhaust. So here we go, another new video and another new bike. That makes 2 Groms in the Dodgem squad. They got dropped off this morning and then I've been busy all day, so this is like the first chance I'm getting to head out on it. The guy who dropped it off was like, oh yeah, the horn's in the place your indicator would normally be. And yeah, I just hit the horn trying to cancel the indicator. Oh, it's a bit fresh as well. It's about 7 degrees and the sun's on its way down. I've never had a Digi Dash before. This is like the newest vehicle I've ever owned. Guard dogs. Hello. Hey Peppy. Right, are you wrapped up? It's well chilly.
Oh, I need to sneeze.
You cold?
Don't sneeze.
Don't fight it.
Oh, they got anti-fog on them.
How do you know? Clearing straight away? Yeah. These are honestly way better. Because your cheeks are nearly fully covered.
Yeah. For 25 quid, that's amazing.
A bargain.
Oh, come here.
Sorting me out.
Yeah, I see your cables all around your GoPro mount.
Gloves on. Oh, I need that noise, don't I?
But I bent my the brake lever a little bit earlier. Oh yeah.
You can run and get these actually going. Really easy. Wait, why is the bar end in there so far?
Because it's got these stupid levers on that are like 30 meters long. Is it on?
Yeah, very funny.
Just jokes, mate.
Honda Grom squad.
Hey!
Trying to cut me up. You use. What, bub, bub. Oh, I hate it.
It's so quiet.
Just heading out on my Grom Lambo. He wishes! He wishes!
He was looking at your Grom like.
I know! How to feel baller. I'm wearing my trademark Vans chef shoes. Right, exhaust on the list. Oh, I'm cold! I need a windbreaker! Available soon from the Dodgem Squad store.
Are you cold?
Chow, so cold!
You know the secret?
Go on!
Women's leggings! Can't even hear it! I think my clutch is gone. I think my clutch is gone. I think it has worn out.
Another I8. You'd think Lincoln was London. We got the supercars out. Oh, he's cutting.
Oh, test ride!
Oh, Ducati!
Wanna buy it?
Big V twin!
Oh, Grandad! Come on, I'm not having this.
Who do you think you are?
Everyone's looking at the Grom. No one cares about you, Catty.
Head out on the highway, looking for adventure. Oh, big bike!
Oh, got a box on the back.
Can you do an endo? Oh, no. What are you doing?
Is it a bit down? Do you think it needs cheering up?
How do you know?
It's quite chilly.
Let's go Brayford. Oh. Ah!
Got him!
He got me! Oh, we always get the drama! Oh, it's beautiful. Le Groms. Schlegrom. Everyone's on their horn.
See what you did there?
Did you?
Haha! See ya!
Wop, 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 wop. I think we're going for a ride to the top. Oh, the wonderful views of Lincoln.
We made it! Security were having a good eyeball. I think they're going to be on their way, but we're too fast for him, so.
Too fast for him.
That is gorgeous.
All the views. There's no place like home. Oh, there's the old Deliverooers down there.
The Ode. Yep, been around for centuries, them guys, haven't they?
Oh. Guys, drop a parking.
Yeah. Not with the lovely views.
We're just here for the romance, mate, that's all.
Yeah, it's our first date.
We have a lot of bikers come up here and they do wheelies, shit like that. And you're obviously not that type.
No, just out and about.
As long as you're not going to be doing like they do.
No. We're off now anyway.
Right.
Yeah, fair enough, cheers.
Alright mate.
Cheers.
Alright mate.
Okay, guys.
Thanks, mate. Look at them on their first date on their matching bikes.
Let's do it. Let's make like a tree and leave.
Oh, we have people up here doing wheelies and stuff, but you're obviously not that sort of person. Oh, how little you know, my friend. How little you know. Oh, I hate this clutch so much. Why you gotta be like that though? Oh, yeah.
He thinks he's a ninja. You can do it!
Oh, too fast for you, sucker!
Didn't even get him. What's all that about?
Oh, he did a skid.
We know where we're going. We do what we feel.
Oh, I don't know where we're going.
Give him a wave. Where are we going?
I don't know. Oh, they bottomed out. Did you hear him?
Yeah, they make a thunk. Oh!
I pulled the front brake there.
To stop you from flipping over.
Yeah, I was like, oh no, better catch that. Yeah, that clutch is slipping so bad. Oh!
Yeah.
Your wheel's about that far up.
That's it.
Yeah, because it feels high. That was about that.
That was better.
There's an actual fear of getting it to the balance point, and I don't think I'm even at it yet, or near it. It's hard.
Yeah. Right then. What should we do?
Don't know, let's go somewhere else.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah! That was a decent one.
I felt like that was going to stay, but I just bottled it because it was coming up more. I'll follow you. Oh, the supermoto foot is out. Not doing it. Not going that way again.
Many trucks have been stuck in this arch as well. It's highly embarrassing. Thank you.
I am getting stared at by a spice boy. Oh no. Who's going to break stare first?
He's in suspended animation.
I'm going to have to go. Oh, that'd be perfect time just to kick his little kickstand down.
Just pull up here.
Okay. God damn it!
It's not even subtle anymore. I'm out of here.
I can't wait to get this new clutch in.
Really?
It's going to be like pop, pop, pop.
I'm not on.
Sean's camera's dead.
Dead.
Well, no, he's not dead. Give it his dues. The battery's okay.
Still got a lot to learn.
But his SD card's full. It's all down to me. He's loving popping it up now. That colour's like amazing how close it is to that. Oh no, maybe a little bit green. Yours is more of like a high-vis yellow, and that's just like a, I don't know, kind of yellow. If you like the video, hit like, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And if you hit subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell notification button, which updates you and lets you know every time we post a new video. Hopefully you liked it. Might have been a couple of things that make you laugh. Whatever, just, you know, stay tuned for some more.